This is 2-in-1 solar system, Meteorite solar engine, and 3000 watts. It's 3000 watt solar system, which you can use. You can use this system, Meteorite solar engine, without battery, connected with solar panel up to 2000 to 3000 watts power to get good amount of electricity. And you can have this battery as a backup at night. So you have 247 electricity, a complete solar kit, 2-in-1 system, solar system without battery and with the battery joined together. Call us now, Meteorite Solar Company, the first company that produce solar system with a battery and without battery. 0925 383 497. 0925 383 497, Meteorite Solar Company. Call us now to get your order. We install solar system with battery and without battery. Without battery for daytime use and save you the amount of money from replacing dead or run down inverter battery or solar batteries. Thank you.